Hello everyone, this is Yunus from Fix. So we received this package today. This is iPhone 7 Plus, and this is iPhone 8 Plus. So the customer told me that this phone it has a sound issue. The speaker or the microphone doesn't work from the sound IC chip, because they already try because this phone is come from another repair store. They already checked the front flex cable for the camera. They tried the bottom I think, but still not working. So let's do the quick test.
And what's this?
So I'm gonna download this app. You can see the voice memo app is not responding because it cannot like communicate with the sound IC. So this is the issue for this one. The iPhone 8 Plus, so no power. Let's test the charger. So you can see it is seeking like about 0 amp, nothing else. So let's start with this one. The phone is look clean inside. I don't see no water damage. So we're gonna test the battery line. So here, just I'm testing it for search. So this is the battery V batch, the battery line. And this is the ground, and the V batch here. So there is no search in the battery line, but still there is a chance maybe a short somewhere else. So I set up the power supply at 3.8 volt. about 3 amps. So I put the ground over there. And so here, if I touch the positive of the battery plug, watch over there. You can see the voltage is dropping to the 1.2, and the amps is almost 3 amps. So there is a short somewhere in this board. So let's look at it. I'm going to check the motherboard, then we check it together. So I'm using my thermal imaging camera to see what the spot is getting warm or hot. So I'm going to feed 3.8 volt to VDD main line and this capacitor. I start seeing something getting warm but not clear. Yep, you see that spot over there? Let me see if I can. So next I'm going to use the alcohol to find out what exactly short is. I now is in this area, but let's use the microscope. So somewhere in this spot around here it's getting hot. And if we check what the VDD main going over here in this spot, we can find this chip here, and this little thing here could be our resistors, I think, and these two capacitor, this coil and this capacitor here. So this is, plus there is a capacitor here. So that's the area. Capacitor here, this is a little capacitor, this capacitor, this chip and this chip here. But mostly was the VCC main connected. So I'm going to use the alcohol. And this area here. And I'm going to feed the voltage to this little bit far capacitor, so I can see which one is, because I don't want to feed in these two here, because maybe one of them or so I'm going to feed on this one, then watch. Yep, I see some moving. Look, alcohol around the two capacitor. So one of these capacitors here, that's the one is shorted. I'm gonna wait for the alcohol to dry a little bit, then I'm gonna find out which one is, you see. Let's watch it again. So this capacitor around it is moved. The alcohol around it is moving. This capacitor, if we look at that side of it, the alcohol is not moving. Watch it close. You see here, the alcohol is moving here and here, but this side is not moving. So, kind of I'm sure this is the capacitor is causing short. So let me move this capacitor, then see if that's going to fix the problem. So after I removed the shorted capacitor, the one is over there, and I put the motherboard and the frame. I didn't put no screws yet, just to test it. You can see the amp meter. Look over there. Now his phone is checking about like 600 milliamp, and I did hear the sound the phone is booting. So let me put the screen and see if it's going to show the display.
The little paper are getting out for you.
So you can see the phone is booting. Touch screen work. So this phone is fixed. Next I'm gonna go to the iPhone 7, the one with the sound issue. Then I will show you how to fix that problem too. So I'm gonna try to fix them about 2 days so I can ship them back tomorrow. Most of the time I do ship like back the phones within 24 hours, except if it's like the problem is big and need more time, but I do my best to ship it next day. So that's it for this one, and we'll go to the next one. So this is the phone that has the sound problem. Alright, I just done installing the sound chip, the chip over there. And if you, as I was showing you in the video, the voice memo want to open. So now here you can see it is recording. So now here you can see it is recording. So that's all for this video. These two phones both are fixed and is ready to ship to the customer. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe and see you next video.